Here I am using my NOMAD Grill once again, this time to make London Broil. So London Broil is a delicious meal if prepared right. It's not really about the cut of meat, but it's all about the preparation. And by doing it on a grill, it really adds to that flavor. You do want to make sure you have a tender cut. Alright, now let's make the marinade for the London Broil. We start off with half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's a good olive oil. Then a third of a cup of soy sauce, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of honey and 3 cloves of garlic, nicely minced up. Give it a nice mix. Well, not with a spoon, maybe with a whisk is better. That's easier. And once it's nice and homogeneous, give it a little taste. If it tastes good, thumbs up. Here's our London Broil cut. We get it out of the sous vide, and I like to put it directly into a freezer bag. I add in the sauce, I close up the bag, and I shake it very well. The best thing is to leave it overnight, but if you're really pressed for time, try to at least leave it for an hour so that those flavors really absorb into the meat. The longer you leave it, the better the flavor is going to be. So I'm putting it in the fridge for 24 hours. So we start off by getting some charcoal briquettes into our chimney and some fire starters right underneath. We light that fire starter. This one actually comes from NOMAD as well. And we let it go. Look at that fire burning. And one of the incredible things about using a chimney, that it's like magic. In a matter of 10 minutes, you're actually ready to start cooking. There we go. Smoking has started. Let's let it go. Burning hot. I find it so relaxing just to watch the fires burn the charcoals. Once you start to see the white ash, it's time to dump it. So we take it, we dump it all over in this case. We have quite a bit of beef to fry up. We get the grate right back on and let it heat up for a couple of minutes. Once it's nice and hot, we clean up those grates and we lay down our beef. You're going to want to get it as hot as possible so that you get a nice little color on both sides. You're aiming for medium rare on the inside. I'm going to close it up just for a little bit to get a nice little smoky flavor. Then, after a couple of minutes, I'm going to move it around and time to flip it. And I'm going to keep flipping it so that no side burns. Sorry for the shaking, the camera was set up and attached to the table that I was grilling on, so you can already see how juicy that meat's going to be. Go flip. Look at that incredible color. Oh, it is so fragrant. It smells so incredible. And what's really great about cooking over some charcoal is that every drop of fat that renders and falls onto the coals evaporates and hits the meat, giving it a nice charcoaly flavor, very similar to rotisserie. And we keep on flipping it, trying to avoid the burn marks. Now we're going to probe the big piece, and as you can see, it's at 142, 143. Other side is closer to 130. Time to come out. We let it rest for about 5 minutes so that the juices can redistribute throughout the meat, and it's slicing time. Against the grain, guys, against the grain. And if you're liking this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Oh, look at that. Perfect medium rare. And guys, don't forget, we got a members block. It's a couple bucks a month. Comes with some pretty cool perks, and it really helps to support the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get to tasting. The bigger piece is still resting, but honestly, I can't wait to taste this beast. Alright guys, let's give a taste to the London Broil. That is amazing. The flavor is so deep, and it's so important to leave it overnight. It makes all the difference. It's perfectly medium rare. Took it off at 130, left it for about 5 minutes, so has a rich, beefy taste. The soy sauce comes out a bit. The MSG is helping a bit. You get those notes of garlic and that balsamic vinegar infused in. Really unbelievable mix. Definitely gonna make it again. And guys, you gotta try it out. On video 3, thoughts about the NOMAD. It is, again, easy to set up, easy to cook with, and as I get more and more comfortable with it, I love it even more. The fact that I can just put this on the balcony and start grilling up without any problems is one of my favorite features.
If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you will stay updated with everything that we have coming out. And trust me, there's a lot coming. And guys, go ahead and check in the description section. I left a link to join our members blog. Some cool perks, check it out. If you want to support this channel, join in, love to have you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.